Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. Look, we've had a ton of requests for a technical walkthrough on installing the Gears Kodi Addon, so that is exactly what we're tackling today. If you want a straight to the point, absolutely no fluff guide to getting this set up on your machine, well, you are definitely in the right place. Let's get those environments ready and just dive right in.
Here is our roadmap for the walkthrough. We'll start with a quick introduction to the Gears, hit the essential prerequisites, and then tackle the actual installation in 3 phases: adding the source, installing the repository, and then the add-on installation itself. Finally, we'll wrap the whole thing up with compliance and some final thoughts.
Okay, Section 1, Introduction to the Gears, Core Features and Compatibility.
So what's really impressive here is just the sheer breadth of content categories. Tucked away inside the crew repository, the Gears organizes basically the whole shebang, from movies and TV shows to anime and some really neat Discover features. You know, it's like a giant library right at your fingertips. Just make sure your system is up to date, right? You will absolutely need Kodi version 20 Nexus or 21 Omega for this to run smoothly. Moving on to Section 2, Essential Prerequisites, Accounts and Scrapers Require. Now, here is the absolutely crucial catch. The Gears is definitely not a plug-and-play add-on. In fact, there are 0 free links out of the box. Literally none. To actually watch anything, you have got to tie it to a paid premium service. Think Real-Debrid, AllDebrid, or Premiumize. You also need to enable external scrapers. Luckily, the Gears scraper does come pre-installed, you just kind of have to know where to go to flip the switch. And speaking of flipping that switch, once the add-on is installed, here's your internal pathway to wake up those scrapers. You're going to hit Tools, go to Settings, then Premium Accounts, click External Scrapers, and finally select the Gears Scraper module. Just keep this flow tucked away in the back of your mind for when our installation is actually complete.
All right, Section 3, Phase 1, Adding the Source, Initiating the Installation.
Let's get our hands dirty. Right from your Kodi home screen, go ahead and hit that System Settings gear icon. Jump into the File Manager and click Add Source. You'll see a spot that says None. Click exactly there to prep the system for our new URL.
And that brings us to the repository URL itself. Guys, I really want to draw your strict attention to this exact address: https://team-crew.github.io. Typing this string of text correctly is, without a doubt, the single most common point of failure. So take your time here, especially if you're painfully typing it out letter by letter with a clunky TV remote.
Once you've got that URL typed in exactly as shown, drop down to the very next input box and name the source Crew. That way your system easily recognizes it later. Give it all one final really good visual check for any sneaky typos, and then hit OK to save that configuration.
Section 4, Phase 2, Installing the Repository, Loading the Crew Repo.
Okay, now back all the way out to your Kodi main menu. Hit Add-ons and then click the little package installer icon. It's up at the top left. Select Install from Zip File. You'll probably get a warning prompt popping up here, but just hit Yes. Actually, quick side note, make sure you already have unknown sources enabled in your system settings beforehand, otherwise Kodi will literally stop you dead in your tracks right here. Next up, select the crew source that we just created and look for the file named repository.thecrew-0.3.8.zip. Click that, and then just take your hands off the keyboard. Seriously, just let the repository download quietly in the background. You will know it's completely done when that sweet little crew repo installed confirmation pops up in the top right corner of your screen.
Section 5, Phase 3, Add-on Installation, Finalizing the Gears. We are officially on the home stretch. From that exact same package installer screen, select Install from Repository. Then choose the Crew repo. Click your way into Video Add-ons and scroll down until you spot the Gears. Hit that Install button, and just like that, the technical installation is 100% complete. Awesome job! Finally, Section 6, Compliance and Final Thoughts, Proper Use Guidelines. Now before we wrap up, our source for today's explainer, Wireless Shack, includes a strict disclaimer that we absolutely need to impartially relay. They state they are not affiliated with Kodi or these add-ons, and they don't condone copyright infringement. Their official directive is super clear on this. Kodi should only be used with content that is bought and owned personally or is in the public domain. It is incredibly vital to keep these specific media usage parameters in mind when you're using the software.